Here's a video on ordering sides and angles in triangles. Watch how it works. There's a direct relationship between the longest side and the largest angle in a triangle. See, the longest side of this triangle right here is 18. It'll be directly opposite of the angle that's the largest. Same applies for the smallest. The smallest side would be directly across from the smallest angle. Here is how I think the best way to set it up. We're going to make this chart every time where we have S, which stands for sides of the triangle, and A, which stands for angles. This question says, list the angles from smallest to largest. So what I'd do is I'd look at the smallest side. In this case, it is LK. What letter's missing from these three letters? J. Okay? The side in the middle, 16. That is LJ. LJ. What letter's missing? K. And then the largest side right here is JK. JK. What letter's missing? L. So now our angles would automatically be listed for us from smallest to largest. Smallest is J, followed by K, and then L. I like this way because what if you don't have the picture? Well, look, we can go sides, angles. In this case, it tells us the sides. It wants smallest to largest, so the smallest side is RQ. Okay, what letter's missing? P. The next one is QP. What letter's missing? R. Largest side, RP. What letter's missing? Q. Now our angles are right here. Angle P is smallest, followed by R and Q. It's as simple as setting up these charts. Look at this. This says name the largest and smallest angle in each triangle. It's the same thing. We set up our chart, sides, angles. Alright, this time it says largest and smallest. Okay, so our largest side right here is 20. That is DB. What letter's missing? C. So C's our largest. So we'll say largest. Okay. Then the smallest side, 16, is DC. Smallest side, DC. What letter's missing? B. So that would be the smallest. Simple. Set up the chart. Sides, angles. Alright, the smallest side, 5.8, which is UV. What letter's missing? W. That was the smallest side. This is the smallest angle. Actually did that backwards in order, but I still have it right. The largest side is BW, which is 13. So BW, what letter's missing? U. So then U would be the largest. Okay, so that's the smallest side, smallest angle, largest side, largest angle. Really simple if you set up this chart. How about this one? It says order the sides. This time it's a little different, but you still have the same chart. This time it gives us the angles and it asks for the sides. It's wanting from shortest to longest, so I look for the smallest angle, which is 55. That's F. What letters are missing? G and E. Alright. The next smallest one is 62, which is E. What letters missing? F and G. And then the largest angle right here is G. What letters are missing? F and E. And then automatically I have my sides from shortest to longest as I come down. Alright, let's do this one. We have sides, angles. Alright, we're going from shortest to longest. So the smallest side, or excuse me, the smallest angle is W. What two letters are missing? V and X. Okay, the next smallest one is 50, which is V. What two letters are missing? W and X. And then the last one we have X. What two letters are missing? VW. And now my sides are listed from smallest to largest. Alright, the last little bit. It says name the longest and shortest side in each triangle. Well, in this case, we're going to have to figure out that third angle. Remember, the three angles in a triangle total 180, so I'd go 180 minus 102 minus 46. And if I take 180 and I subtract 102 and I subtract 46, I get 32. So this angle right here is 32. So now it's asking for the longest and shortest side. Okay, the longest side, we're going to have sides, angles. Alright, the longest side, alright, the largest angle is B. What two letters are missing? CA. So CA is the largest, or the longest side. What's the smallest? Well, the smallest angle is A. What two letters are missing? C and B. What if I did that backwards? Oops. A is here, and then the side is C and B. But you see how they go together. Over here, same kind of problem. We'd have 180 minus 95 minus 35. So 180 minus 95 minus 35. Okay, 180 minus 95 minus 35. I plugged that in the calculator a little wrong. 50. So actually we have D and F. We're looking for, we know that E, angle E, is 50. Okay, so now I go sides and angles. I know the biggest side, the largest side is F here. It's 95. What two letters are missing? D and E. Okay. The smallest side, let's see, F was the largest. Now I'm looking for the shortest, so I go for the smallest side. The smallest angle is D. What two letters are missing? F and E. So that would be the shortest side. Simple as that. Alright, so extra credit. I have 8 problems for you. For 1 and 2, you're going to list the order. You're going to order the sides from shortest to longest. Show your chart. For 3 and 4, you're going to name the longest and shortest side of each of these. For 5 and 6, you're going to name the largest and smallest angle in each of these. And let me move that up for you. That's kind of not shown there. In 7 and 8, you're going to list the angles of the triangle from smallest to largest. Show your charts for each of these, and then write out the answers, turn them into Mr. Riddle, get your extra credit.